One student asked Mr. Linus the question every teacher fears. Sir, if AI can answer everything, why do we still need school? Watch and listen to the shocking answer from Mr. Linus. Unbelievable. You will be rolling on the floor laughing.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Today we're discussing something very important.
Sir, is it break time?
No, Johnny.
Things say they're wise.
It's not very important.
Today we're talking about education.
Another one.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
If AI can answer almost any question, why do we still need school?
How first do we hear of this?
Who taught you to ask that question?
AI.
So AI has come to fight me in my own classroom?
Things say they're wise.
Sir, Johnny has a point. AI can explain mathematics, write essays, and answer questions.
That's true.
So what exactly does school give us that AI doesn't?
Excellent question. AI can assist with information and learning, but education involves much more than receiving answers.
So AI agrees with me?
No,
AI, why?
because your question contains an incorrect assumption.
Your AI is disrespecting me.
Class, education isn't simply about memorizing answers. It helps us develop the ability to think, question, communicate, solve problems, make decisions, and understand the world around us.
Hello.
AI can give you an answer, but education helps you ask, is the answer correct? How do I know? Can I explain it? Can I apply it to a real problem? What are the consequences of using it?
So education teaches us how to think, not just what to think?
Exactly.
That is an important distinction.
Sir, I understand now.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Then answer this. If I give you 10,000 Renkis and you spend 7,500, how much remains?
Remains.
Johnny,
Sir, I'm using technology.
you're supposed to use your brain first.
Okay, sir. 2,500 rupees.
Correct!
See? My brain is still working. Sir, does that mean AI cannot replace teachers?
AI can be a powerful educational tool, but learning isn't only about getting information. A good teacher can understand students, encourage them, ask follow-up questions, notice confusion, provide context, and help them develop judgment and confidence. And technology can support teachers and learners when used responsibly.
So AI is my assistant?
Yes.
And you're my teacher?
Yes?
Then who is my principal? Me! Education is completed now.
Please comment, like, share, and follow.
Linus D. Barber.